Now, a lot of our viewers will be interested in Snapchat. I think they're also interested in where this huge overall stock market rally is going. We opened up this morning, and we're actually now just up a point. But remember, please, we're now well above 21,000. And a lot of people want to know, are we going to see a big sell-off at any point soon? Forget Snapchat for a second. What about the overall market? It's gone up so far, so fast. Surely at some point we're going to get a retracement, or whatever you want to call it. Steve Cortes is a money guy. Address that issue, please. And before you answer, Steve, let me throw this at you. I'm told many investors believe that this market has another way to go on the upside if we get the tax cut signed by August. If we don't, the market comes down sharply. What say you? Meanwhile, we're looking at Snapchat as being used by our people around the table. Go ahead,
Stuart. Yeah, I think you're exactly right. If there is disappointment, I think we could go down actually dramatically, because the stock market has gotten so optimistic and so properly optimistic about the chances for growth in this country again. You know, we're not just going to make America great again, we're going to make America grow again. And we're going to do that by taking the shackles off. Washington, D.C. has become an albatross upon the American economy through regulation and taxes.
Now, you're a Trump guy. You are a Trump guy. Do you think that you can get this legislative schedule through this year? That is Obamacare, repeal, replace, tax cuts, infrastructure program. That's a very busy schedule. You're a Trump guy. Can he do it?
Yes, he can. He can and he will. And I have to tell you, I'm here in Washington, got to come in here into town to see the president's speech. After watching his speech the other night, I don't think there's any way that the Congress will dare to stand up against his agenda right now. I think that those Republicans do not want to go back to their districts and to their states and say, I was an impediment to the president's agenda, which the American people elected, and which gave Washington and the Republicans a mandate in Washington to get all of these items done. So I think it is absolutely going to happen, and I have to tell you, too, from my meetings with all of my friends at the White House, they are dead intent on this happening, and it happening extremely soon. And clearly, don't take my word for it, take the stock market's word for it. The market certainly believes that.
I think it does. At this point, yes. Steve Cortes, thanks. Stay